Alright, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to use TikTok Ad Manager to run adverts. Okay, so here is my dashboard. As you can see, I'm going to explain all the features, details by details. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you the best campaign that you can use for your TikTok Ad Manager. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay, so right here now, we have dashboard. So I believe you all know how to get to this place. You go to getstarted.tiktok.com. So you log in with your TikTok account, and then you will derive to this place. I believe you all know how to do that. If you check our previous video, we already talked about logging in and creating a business center for our TikTok Ad Manager. So let us dive in on how to set up a campaign for our TikTok Ad Manager. Alright, so right here, please follow carefully as I guide you on how to do this. So you click on campaigns. So right here now, at my left hand side here, we have three options. We have campaign, we have ad group, we have ad himself. So in each section, we have different things to do. Under this campaign here is where you're able to select what your ad is all about, either for awareness, either for sales, either for lead generation. So that is what you will find under this campaign, right? And then under this ad group is when you will select your gender, targets, location, and all that. That is where you will select your ad group. So there are still a lot of things to do here. So, and then under this ad is when you select your video, the particular video you want to use, and so on and so forth. So what we need to do here now is to click on this crate, right? Can you see this crate right here? You have to click on it. Okay, so it's loading. So right here now, I'm going to explain all the features one by one. Okay, so in this section now, can you see what is your advertising objective? So, and then under this campaign, we have three categories. So I'm going to explain the features one by one, and then I will tell you the best that you can use. So under here we have brand awareness, and then under brand awareness we have traffic. And then under the traffic, we have get people to visit your website. So if you want people to visit your website, brand awareness is good for you. And then we have video views under the brand awareness as well. So, and then what does the video views entails? We have get more views, engagements for your videos. So if you want more views, more engagement for your videos, brand awareness is good to go. And then we have community interaction, get more engagement on your TikTok account. So what this this community, what does this stand for? What does it work for? TikTok community goes for if you are into live streaming, and then you want people to join your live streaming. So this is where it comes up. If you are into teaching, if you are into coaching, right, you are this is good for you. Under brand awareness, community interaction, when you want people to subscribe to your channel on TikTok Ad Manager, right, go to your live streaming, interact with your live streaming, tab and all that. So community interaction is the best option you can go for. Okay, so we are moving to the objective 2, which is sales. So under this we have website conversion. If you want to drive sales to your website, this is good for you. If you want to drive sales to your website. And then we have TikTok shop. If you are in abroad, this TikTok shop really works very well. If your TikTok account is international account, you can make use of this TikTok shop to sell products, to sell your whatever product that you want to sell. Okay, so Nigeria doesn't have TikTok shop. So if you are in abroad and then you want to run ad, I'd advise you to go for sales and then go for TikTok shop if you want to sell everything. If you want to sell anything on your TikTok shop, right? So we move to the number 3, which is lead generation, which is the best, and then which is the one I'm going to recommend for you. lead generation. Okay, so under lead generation, we also have websites, get leads through your websites. You can get leads through your websites, and TikTok instant form, get leads through TikTok instant form, right? So this one you can help you to get leads. You gather the people information, right, on your TikTok form, and then you will able to get people information through that, and you can also sell to them and resell to them. Okay, so underneath we also have direct messages and phone calls, get leads through direct message or phone calls. Like a lot of people do reach out to me that I want to run ad, and then I want to drive them I want to get the leads on my WhatsApp. This is the best option that you can use. Okay, through this, people will contact you on WhatsApp, call you, or send you DMs on your TikTok ad manager, on your TikTok account. So this is good for you. Okay, I recommend, if you want to run ads to make sales, go for leads generation. Although from the brand awareness, sales, lead generation, they have something similar, right? They all have websites generation and all that. Like brand awareness as drive traffic to your website, same thing as sales, website conversion, same thing as lead generation. You also have website forum, right? Website form. So they all have something similar, but they are a little bit different about them all, right? So if you want to run sales, if you want engagement, if you want to sell anything, I would advise you to go for lead generation, which is going to help you to make sales. So don't think that because there is the sales here, this is the best option. Go for lead generation. But if you have a TikTok shop, let's assuming you have TikTok shop, if your TikTok account is UK account or foreign account, and then you have something you want to sell in your TikTok shop, I would advise you to go for sales objective, then go for this TikTok shop. Okay, so but if you are in Nigeria and you want to run ads to sell your course, or even you are in diaspora, if you are in any of this world, if you are in UK or thereabouts, and you want to sell any course, your ebooks, your materials, or whatever you want to sell, go for leads generation. So, and then it's perfect and reliable to use. Okay, so in my next video we will talk about what I make mention earlier about the ad group and then the ad itself. So you will know all this thing when we proceed to next class. Okay, so we are now on the campaign, and in this video I'll tell you the best campaign you can use. You click on create. If you want to run ads, that you want your ad to convert, the objective to go for, the best objective to go for is lead generation, which is the best and most reliable, and then the one I've used so far. I've tested it and it really works so fine for me. So this is where we are going to hold it for today's class. If you are new in my channel, kindly please subscribe to my channel, and then if you are a returning subscriber, you are the real MVP. Till we see you next time, peace.